Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to set your domain name as your Bluesky handle. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to bsky.app and you will see the Bluesky feed appearing just right here. Now simply click on the settings icon, that is the gear icon at the bottom from this screen. You can also do this on your mobile phone. Just navigate to the app, click on three-lined icon at the top, click on settings and you will see these options. Here you're going to choose account. Now after choosing account, you'll be on this page where you can change your email, add your birth date, edit password and edit your handle. Simply click on the handle icon and you will see this pop-up saying change handle. Now, you'll have to basically enter your new handle in this section, but if you want to set your domain as your Bluesky handle, you'll have an option at the bottom saying I have my own domain. Now, you can see if you have your own domain, you can use that as your handle by clicking on this button. This lets you self-verify your identity. Click on this I have my own domain button and it will show you this pop-up. Here you can see it says enter the domain you want to use. So you'll have to basically enter your own domain in this field, then click on verify DNS record and you would have successfully set your own domain as your Bluesky handle. Now, if you don't have a DNS panel, choose no DNS panel and basically enter the domain that you have, and when you enter your domain in this section and click on verify text file, your handle will be set as your domain on Bluesky. So that's the simple way to set your domain as your Bluesky handle. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.